Egyptian mathematics, Chinese double false position. Example 6.4. Solve for x if 4x minus 2x over 3 equal to 30, but this time we're going to let the guesses be 6 and 3. Now keep in mind that when you use Chinese double false position, we're working with a formula. We know that x is going to equal a1 times g2 minus a2 times g1, all divided by a1 minus a2. So what we need are the values for a1 and a2. The values for g1 and g2 have been given. So the equation we're working with, 4x minus 2x divided by 3 equal to 30. The guesses that we've been given are g1 equal to 6 and g2 equal to 3. Now, to find A1, we're going to use G1. And what we're going to do is we're going to plug it into the left-hand side of that equation and see what we get. So we're going to first plug in, I'll just write A1 so I know that I'm working on it. I'm first plugging in the 6 into this equation. So I have 4 times 6 minus 2 times 6 divided by 3. Let's see what we get. 4 times 6, that's 24. This is going to go in twice, so that's 2 times 2, that's 4. So 24 minus 4 is equal to 20. Now we were hoping to get a 30. So what we have here is a deficiency, or too little. That says too little. All right, so A1 is going to equal what you got. Now we got a 20 minus what we wanted. We wanted a 30. So this is equal to negative 10. So I have A1 is equal to negative 10. All right, let's keep track of that over here. We have G1 equal to 6, A1 equal to negative 10. All right, now we're going to redo the whole problem, except this time we're going to be using G2 to find A2. So let me write A2 like that so I know that's what I'm working on. Now G2 was given as 3. So if I plug 3 into this equation, I have 4 times 3 minus 2 times 3 all divided by 3. Well, let's see what that gives us. 4 times 3 is 12. And let's see, 3 goes into 3 once. That's 2 times 2, that's 2. So 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. Not 30. And again, it's a deficiency. It's too little. So A2 is always going to equal what you got minus what you wanted. We got a 10. We wanted a 30. That's equal to negative 20. So I have that A2 is equal to negative 20. And of course, G2 was given. That was equal to 3. So all that's left to do is I need to substitute these values for A1, A2, G1, G2 into this algebraic expression and simplify. So I'm going to do that on a blank sheet because I have no more room. So x is going to equal A1, which was negative 10, times G2, which was 3, minus A2, which was negative 20, times G1, which was 6, all over negative 10 minus a negative 20. Now you have to be careful here because there's a lot of negatives. In the numerator, I've got a double negative, and in the denominator, I've got a double negative. So please be careful when you're working out your arithmetic and use a calculator if necessary. and this works out to be a 9. So x is equal to 9, just as before in the example that appeared in your lecture notes with two different guesses. So the guesses don't really matter. It says two convenient guesses, and it doesn't matter if each guess yields an excess or if each guess yields a deficiency, as in this case. You don't have to have one that's an excess and one that's a deficiency. You could have two excesses and two deficiencies and still arrive at the correct answer using that formula.